Do a little walk around. See what's going on this side of the property. Well, one thing we see is Mr. Bunny out there. He's eating pears that I gave him. All right. Maybe it's quieting down finally. Sometimes this gets to be really hectic. What are you doing in my chair, dude? You waiting for me? Hi, buddy. What are you doing in my chair? Come here. Come on. Get up here. Up here. Come on. I dropped it. All right. Little girl. I was only gone a minute, little girl. That's a big peanut. Yeah, you're better off with that one. There you go. Chip Chip! Come on, honey. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Come on. Can't tell who that is. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, Chip Chip. I see you peeking around the corner. Come on, Chip Chip. Get over here. Come on. Get over here. Chip Chip. Come here, buddy. Do you want a peanut? Better hurry up. Another one coming. Come on, Chip Chip. Well, that one's here already. Come on. Get up here. Come on. How you doing? Just bike riders. Just bike riders, honey. Okay. They're gone. They're gone. I wonder who that other chipmunk was. We're going to find out. All right. Come on, Chip Chip. Gonna find out who this little chippy is over here. It won't come to me. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Come here. Come here, dude. Come on, Chip Chip. Must be one of the babies. Chippy, come here. Hi, Chip Chip. Chip Chip. Come here. Yep. Come here. One of the babies. There you go, honey. Come on, Chip Chip. You're getting big, dude. Yep. One of the babies. One peanut baby. And bearing it right there. All right, come on. Come here. Come on. Hey, little girl. Hey, Chip Chip. It's a baby. It's one of your babies from April. Yeah, Chip Chip. Come here. Get your peanuts. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here, dude. You gonna bury it right there? Really? Every chipmunk in the world would be able to find that. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here, baby. Chip Chip. That's a tractor going by. Manure truck. Manure truck. Come on, Chip Chip. Chip Chip. Come over here. Little boy's waiting for me. Hey, I'm gonna sit down for a minute, little boy. Come here. Come on. Come on, Chip Chip. Oh.